Bark, cuzzy. A fucking bark control collar. This is not good. You want me to wear this for the duration of the video? Caution, risk of skin damage. Oh, that's good. You! Dude, it's not working. I don't know why. Oh! Yeah, this thing fucking sucks, you. I don't think you're gonna get the effect out of this that you wanted, Cuzzy. Feels like shit, dude. Dude, why isn't it working now? You, Cuzzy! Bark! Bark! Fucking bark, dude! You! You, Cuzzy. Is this a phone? It's a working phone, Cuzzy. Bark, you. You, Cuzzy, what's... Ow!
Josh, can you hear us?
I wanna lick you till you come.
Josh, something just sabotaged.
Yeah, you. I'd like some M&Ms. Ow, it just fucking shocked me!
Hear us.
Dude, this thing is fucking janky, dude. I wasn't even talking! And look, I'm screaming now and it's not doing anything! Dude, what I always wanted, Jaden and Willow Smith on my wall, dude. So there's gonna be something big and black that you have to put on. The theme of this week for yours is the game that shall not be named mixed with Mad Max Fury Road, dude. This thing fucking sucks, dude. Ow. Bark, bark, you. Oh! It was so fucking delayed. You know what? Maybe it was an issue with the battery. Bark, bark, you. Bark, bark, you. So small! Oh, dude. Dude, it was literally listed as a large. But that looks like a fucking extra small, dude. Like a triple, quadruple billion extra small. You are going to die in that thing. You look good in that, dude. Look at that. Look at that big beefy hunk right there. And also, literally, it did not say child size. I was hoping that it was going to be like a bodysuit type thing. All right, next item. Little lick you till you come break.
I wanna lick you till you come. Somebody scream.
Yo. Got some Dwight Schrute energy going on right now, dude. There's no nose piece with it? Dude, it was supposed to have a little nose dongle. It's supposed to hold a nose piece that goes over your nose for like one of those CPAP type things, I think. Alright, this is the fucking piece de resistance. Where are the pumps? Oh! Where are the pumps at? It came with 2 batteries. I'm assuming one's a replacement, unless... See, I put it in here really shitty. So, alright, here's what we got going on here. There's a little band, right? This little band thing here. And then there's the plus side and the minus side. The minus goes over here, and the plus goes over here. That feels like it's in there nice and good. Now, this thing ain't consistent, cuzzy. You are fucking killing the game right now, brother. Yep. 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 Yeah, that's it. Honestly, dude, I'm having a hard time not reaching out and just taking you as you are right now, brother, because that you look absolutely incredible, my friend. All right, everybody, that'll do it for Ooh, I'm crying, folks. Ooh, I'm crying, folks. Fucking thing off me. Get it off. Get it off. Thanks for watching Unclaimed Baggage, folks. We hope you enjoyed this. Ooh, I'm crying, folks. Second installment. Like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Hit the notification bell. Share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. Hi, I'd like to hire a lawyer, please, to cover my ass in a lawsuit when my friend sues me for putting him through bodily harm. Oh, what's that, Eminem? Everything we ordered was not as advertised. Anything to add, Brett? Ooh, I'm crying, folks. Kind of didn't really work out the way it was supposed to.
Ha ha ha.